I can be fucked with, no, with, no, with, no. I can be fucked with, no, with, no, with, no. You can't touch this, hey. Bitch, I be rich shit, huh? You can't touch this, hey. Walk with a limp.
Who fucking with me? I mean, who gonna check me? Like, who? Thought a whole said something. What's good, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl TM. That's me too much, and I was back with another YouTube video. Okay. I'm back. Be up down. I'm back with another YouTube video, y'all. I be playing way too much. Okay, so I'm back with another YouTube video. If you are new to my channel, what's good? Thanks for clicking the video. I am Niche TM. That's Niche Too Much. I'm not gonna get too close, baby, because I need my hair redone. Stay. I'm a social distance from y'all on this video because I need my hair done. But like I said, I am Niche TM. If you're a returning subscriber, you a real bitch. You know what I'm saying? Hey, what's goody? Thank you for clicking the video. Tune it back in. If y'all read this title, you already know this is another packaging video. This is a different one. I'm packaging accessories. Yes, sweetie, glasses by me. Let me show y'all how I'm coming. Hold on. Slide. Nah, but it's a packaging video. I'm packaging my sunglasses today. I do sell sunglasses. They sell out so fast, y'all. My sunglasses sell out so fast. Like this morning, I got them yesterday, and I was supposed to post them yesterday, but I ended up posting them this morning. And I think 2 pair already sold out. I'll put it on the screen which pairs has sold out. I'll take a screenshot of my website. But yes, yeah, like, y'all, it's lit. Every time I post, make sure y'all turn on, y'all notify me on my website when I do sell out, so that you do know when I restock, because this stuff goes fast. Like, I'll insert some comments about people like, how did they sell out so fast? You just posted them, right? You just posted. So I'm gonna pack it. I'm gonna show you how I package my sunglasses. I'm also in my business room, if y'all can't tell. Let me close this door. I'm also in my business room, if you can't tell, from my apartment tour video. That one should be up before this video. I haven't got much up. I literally just set up the printer that y'all seen, and I put the bulletin board, cork board, whatever, over there, because I'm having somebody put it up on the wall for me. But I have my my sunglass inventory. These are just the orders I had to package today. And then these are the ones that still need to be sold as of right now. So, 2 pair have sold out so far. My plan, like, I was telling myself, like, I'm not getting out this bed until I sell out all of these glasses. But I'm most likely gonna be sold out tomorrow, but I have to go out of town. I'm talking a whole lot, I'm sorry, but I got a lot to say. But I was hoping that I sold out all completely today before I started recording, because I ship my orders out at 6 o'clock. I go to FedEx and I ship all my orders, so anything that's purchased after 6 o'clock does not get shipped until the next day. I am taking my sunglasses with me. I have to go out of town tomorrow. I have another lash training. Like, y'all, I am so thankful. Like, thank you to Jesus Christ, the Lord himself, for allowing me to be able to maintain during this COVID-19. Like, that is so crazy. Like, you would think business would slow down or, you know, just stop altogether, but, you know, I've been blessed, and, you know, I'm getting orders after orders. Y'all still order wholesale. Thank you so much to everybody who's been buying wholesale from me. Y'all, it's the best, right now it's the best time to be an entrepreneur. Like, especially in the beauty industry, with all the hair stores closing, grab and sell lashes left and right, sunglasses. People have been searching lip gloss on my website. I haven't even added my lip gloss on there, but it is coming. So yeah, I'm about to do this kind of fast. I'm sorry that when I be recording these kind of videos, I be in a rush because I be just like thinking last minute like, oh, we gotta record a video of you doing this, like, cause I'm still kind of new to YouTube. So y'all just bear with me. Hopefully I can get me a schedule together once I get this business room in order. I'm gonna grab some of my shipping supplies. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all one sample order. I'm gonna put it on the screen. I'm gonna show y'all what I use to package, how I put my stuff together, and then I'm gonna fast forward this video so that y'all can see me package the rest of this stuff. We're gonna go to FedEx, and I'm gonna give me some Chick-fil-A because baby, I deserve it. Okay, period. These glasses right here, if y'all wondering, they're not on my site yet. By the time this video comes out, they will be, and they will probably be sold out. So make sure you go to LashSociety.com. But these are my glasses in the style Toxic. Okay, period. Baby, I love these. Like, these are so bad, bitches. Like, you can barely see anything. Like, you can barely see my eyes. Like, is that toxic or what? You know. So let me get to packaging these orders. Like I said, thank you guys so much for clicking my videos, subscribing. I'm almost to 4,000 subscribers. 4,000 gang members. My goal is 10,000. If y'all don't know, I'm doing a giveaway. I need 10K subscribers, and I'm gonna help 2 people start a lash company. I'm gonna give y'all 30 pair of lashes each. So make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you read the description box below so that you know what the giveaway details are. And good luck. And we're about to ship these orders, okay, sweetie? That's it. I try to stop doing stuff at like 6. So, I mean, since I'm recording, I'm packaging the video. My dad says you will get your sunglasses as well. Put in this order. And you know what? I wasn't even putting the decorations and stuff in there or the business cards because like I need some stuff, like literally. Okay, this was the last one. So I have all of these to take, and we try and get a cute thumbnail. See, I don't like how these don't stick on here. Like that is so annoying. Okay, y'all. So I'm done packaging everything. I think it's like 6:20-ish. So I gotta run to FedEx. It's about 10 minutes away. I'll take y'all with me. I know it's only 1 person at a time in the FedEx, so I need to hurry up. So yeah, let's go to the car and let's ship these packages. Okay, y'all. So I just made it to FedEx. I got my orders. I think they still open, but we finna see. Hold on. Let me grab my orders and I'll see y'all when I'm inside. I just shipped everything, all the orders that I got today, and here is my list of tracking numbers. So everybody that ordered today, your orders are on the way. So excited! Thank you so much. I'm in here like every single day, so I'm gonna try to get a thumbnail while the sun is out. So short, I can barely do it. Either way, y'all get the picture. I shipped everything, and that's that on that. I actually got another order for sunglasses while I was in there, so I was just like, I can't even do it. Like, I'm gonna have to ship your stuff tomorrow because I'm not coming back all the way over here. So that's gonna be the end of this video, y'all. I'm gonna end this properly in the car. But so yeah, y'all, that's the end of this video. I'm gonna go update these people's tracking numbers, but first, baby, I'm going to Chick-fil-A because I'm starving. Oh my god, I'm so hungry, y'all. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Make sure you guys shop Lash So Savvy for sunglasses. My bundles are coming back on there. Wholesale lashes, regular lashes, my lip gloss is coming. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.